In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Excalidraw background color. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust the color inside your shapes and choose the fill style that matches the look you're going for. First, open your browser and head to excalidraw.com. You'll land on a clean, blank canvas ready for drawing. If you already have shapes on your canvas, you can use those. If not, go ahead and draw something simple, like a rectangle or a circle, using the Shape tool. This part is important because Excalidraw only shows the styling options when an element is selected. Click once on the element you want to modify. When it's selected, you'll notice the side tools on the left appear and the styling options become active for that element. We're focusing on the background of the element, which is the color that fills the inside of your shape. This is different from the outline color, sometimes called the stroke. Now look for the background section. Click the color swatch to open the color options. You can pick a preset color for a quick change or open the color picker for more control. The color picker lets you fine-tune your hue and brightness, and it's great for matching colors across your diagram. If you're working with a specific palette, use the picker to get a consistent look. Just keep the element selected so the changes apply immediately. Once you've chosen a background color, decide how you want that color to be rendered by choosing a fill style. Excalidraw offers a few distinct options: hachure, crosshatch, and solid. Hachure gives you that hand-drawn, sketchy look with angled lines filling the shape. Crosshatch layers lines in two directions to create a textured, denser fill that still feels hand-drawn. Solid applies a clean, uniform color throughout the shape, which is perfect for polished diagrams and when you need strong contrast or clear visual grouping. Switch between these styles to see what best supports your diagram's purpose and readability. If you don't see the background section or nothing seems to change, double check that the element is selected. You should see selection handles around it. Also, remember that these settings apply to the selected element, not the entire canvas, so repeat the process for each shape you want to update. That's all there is to it. Go to excalidraw.com, select or draw an element, choose your background color with the color picker, and set the fill style to hachure, crosshatch, or solid. With just these tools, you can quickly make your diagrams clearer, more consistent, and more visually engaging.